Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So welcome to day 42 of our series Pure to BRAHMASTRA, where we are dealing with the most expected questions in mathematics for chapter wise. We are doing the analysis, we are solving questions chapter wise, PYQs, NCRT, we are taking everything into account, solving MCQs at the same time, preparing for our both examination, right? So today's session will be on AOD, application of derivative. We'll take PYQs and MCQs as well. So total of 20 questions again I have taken. We'll solve all of them together in the session and complete our chapter AOD. Means we'll tick mark that yes sir, this session is over, this chapter is complete, the revision is complete, I can move and write the mocks, right? So I hope you are prepared for that. So please start the session now, and if you're watching the session, complete the session. Take your pen and paper out, your formula sheets out. We're going to use that to solve the questions today. So let's see. Before I move on to your question number 1, okay, before I move on to question number 1, let's look at the weightage quickly. The weightage is what, bacha? Is 8 marks, total of 5 questions coming from here, 2 MCQs, 1 fill in the blanks, 1 short answer 2 marker, 1 short answer 3 marker over here, making the total tally to 8 marks. Again, this is with the internal options, you can choose between them as well. Okay, now category that I've created over here, okay, we'll see the category later. First of all, once you complete this video, means you complete this chapter, what is left? So we have to complete the revision and then bacha write the test series, the marks, right? Because after writing marks, we get to know whether our preparation is complete or not, how much we are there, 50%, 60%, 70%, 100%, where our preparation is exactly, we get to know after writing this mock test. Okay, so one such unique mock test is available on our platform, which is PU2 Success Blueprint Test Series. Okay, available at a price of $599 only. Okay, what you're gonna get in this test? So total of 12 tests you're gonna get. Started, this test is actually launched bacha already, and students have enrolled and started taking the test since 15th of December. The first test went live on this test. Okay, so I hope you have taken care of that. If you are enrolled, congratulations, you are doing great. You have already written tests. Okay, so and getting the solutions also. What else you're getting from this test series is you're getting a total 12 test papers. In that you'll have 4 part tests. Part test means you'll have physics, chemistry, maths together. Okay, then you'll have again 8 full length, full subject, subject wise test paper, full length, full syllabus, subject wise test paper. Okay, you will get mock papers in PDF format, mock paper solutions also in PDF format, video solutions of the subject. Okay, you'll get a recorded video solution available to you and a doubt clarification session. You can see this is going to be a very unique test series which is being provided with this much of a structure at a price point of only $599. Okay, again, if you have missed a couple of tests, don't worry about it. Do one thing, buy today, purchase this test series today. What you can do is take the previously conducted test again. Okay, so schedule everything you're gonna get once you enroll. The link is given, to purchase this test series is given in the video description. Go ahead, check that out. Once you enroll there, you'll get everything in detail. All the schedule will be given to you, and then you can take the current week's test, and then previously conducted test you can take again, bacha. Previous test you can take again, whenever you have time. Okay, so you can do that. Everything will be made available to you. But if you are writing a previously conducted test, make sure that you're writing honestly. Don't take the solutions, because solution will be given now, so don't use the solution to write the mock test paper. Okay, chaliye. So with this, let's move on. Let's look at the content, what we have planned. So over here I've taken MCQs total of 9, okay, and I've taken total of PYQs, which is going to be 13. So I've taken total of 13 PYQs and 9 MCQs in total. PYQs will have again 2 marker, 3 marker, all the categories, you'll see that. Okay, and MCQs will be total of 1 marker question, 9. So total makes it total 22 questions. Okay, so I thought 20 is there, but actually it is 22. Please have a look. Question number 1 is coming for all of you. Let's solve it. The rate of change of the area of a circle with respect to its radius at a radius r is given. Okay, when r is equals to 3 centimeter, they have given this as well. Let us find this rate of change of area of a circle is what, bacha? Pi r square, rate of change, right? They're asking with respect to what? With the time. Okay, so dA by dt we will write. Please check. We'll write this as check this out. Simply, bacha, 2 pi r, right? Okay, they have not. Okay, this we have to ignore actually, because this is not specified, bacha. Let's ignore this part. Why I'm saying you ignore? Because they have not mentioned dr by dt over here. Okay, so we'll take only this much into account. So let's take this to be simply r only. I'll tell you why. I'll give you the reason why. Don't worry about it. This has to be dr actually, because sir, ignore this, because they have not given, sir, what you call your dr by dt value. They have not given dr by dt value is missing. Okay, this will be given, then we can use that unit system. Chaliye. So what is that going to be? Please check here. 2 pi. What is r, sir? 3. Correct now. How much is that? 6 pi. Okay, please have a look. Option A is correct. Let's move on. So question number 2. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Okay, so previous one is clear, right? Have a look. This is clear. No problem whatsoever. There's a mistake. There has to be, dr by dt. If that is either this has to be given, or they cannot ask that. So actually it's a mistake. Okay, can't take it like this. Actually they have also given here. See, with respect to radius, right? So that's why we are looking for dA by dr, bacha. Okay, the answer will be simply 6 pi. Please have a look. Okay, chaliye. So now question number 2. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circle at a speed of 4 cm per second. Now check here. Data number 1. What it means? Check here. The wave is first wave is like this. Second wave goes like this. Third wave goes like this. What is happening, bacha? So from here, this is one. This is the second one. Third one like this, right? What is happening? The radius is changing, no? So basically they have given what, sir? They have given us dr by dt is equals to, in this case, 4 centimeters per second. Is that clear? At an instant when the radius of the circular wave is what? They're given when the r is equals to 10 centimeters. We have to find what? Rate of change, rate of increase in the area of the circle. Okay, what's the area going to be? Please check. Pi r square. We're looking for what now? Please check. dA by dt in this case. Okay, so if we do that, we're going to get 2 pi r dr by dt. Okay, chain rule is applied now. First you did for pi r square, you're going to get 2 pi r. Then you have to do for r also. So dr by dt we are getting. Check the values now. 2 I have, pi I have. What is r value? 10. So right here 10. What is dr by dt? Please check. 4. So right here 4. What is the answer, bacha? 40 into 2, so 80 pi. Area change, right? So centimeter square per second. See the difference from the previous question? Answer is 80 pi centimeter square per second. In the previous case, it was with respect to the radius. That's why it was just without the time second unit. Okay, chali. Moving on to question number 3. The interval in which the function fx, okay, is increasing. Always, right? It's a straight line, no? Always increasing, bacha. So all real, right? All real. Please check. All real, sir. Okay, great. So straight line, sir. Straight line like this, right? If you take the derivative of this, if you want to take the derivative, take this. Y equals to 3x plus 17. Please check. Y dash is how much, sir? Y dash is going to be simply 3, right? Okay. There's no critical point only. How do you find the critical point? Not possible only. Okay. So if you check out here, let's plot it on the curve. X equal to 0. Y 17 over here. 0 comma 17. What is that? When y is 0, x is going to be minus 17 by 3. Minus 17 by 3. So this is the straight line, right? Always increasing, bacha. If you move across x, y is increasing. So it is a increasing function when all real numbers. It is at all real numbers. All real means negative infinity to positive infinity. The option number A is more suitable. Clear? MCQ, please check from the graph also. You can write the answer. Question number 4. Clear, right? Previous one. Question number 4. Interval in which fx, okay, increasing again. So we have to take the derivative to find the critical point. Please check here. So let's find this f dash of x. 4x minus 3 put it equal to 0. To find the critical point, I'm getting x as 3 by 4. Plot on the number line 3 by 4. Take a number before this value. I can take x equals to 0 over here. Okay, I can take over here x equal to 0. At x equals to 0, please check here. What is f dash of x? It's going to be bacha 0 minus 3. So simply minus 3, which is less than 0. So negative. Check here, negative. Okay. And after 3 by 4, take 1. I can take x equals to 1, right? So at x equals to 1, check out here. What I'm getting, f dash of x is coming as 4 minus 3, 1, so greater than 0. So positive over here means increasing over here and decreasing over here. Hai na? What's the answer, sir? Answer is 3 by 4 to infinity. 3 by 4 to infinity. Option A is more suitable. Please check. 3 by 4 to infinity. Correct, na? This is always like this. So negative infinity on this side, positive infinity on this side. Answer is option number A. Please have a look. A very good question. Okay, I've taken MCQs, which is not in the syllabus because you have not, have those many PYQs as the MCQ. So I've taken some questions because in your blueprint they have given 2 MCQs they can ask to you. Okay, chaliye. So question number 4 is clear. Question number 5. The interval in which fx equals to log x is increasing. Okay, let's define this. Y equals to log x if you're defining bacha. If you want, you can just simply draw the log x function. Check out here. If you take this from where to where it is there, bacha, 0 to infinity only, na? There is no log is not defined for negative values. So clearly not possible. Not possible. Only option C is most suitable. Okay, but if you want, you can define it. Derivative of this you can take. So y equals to 1 by x. What's the domain, sir? Domain is only positive real number. Only positive real number. R plus, sir. Domain is only positive real number. So take it out. If you do that, you're gonna get y dash as what, bacha? Greater than 0. Increasing on this side only from 0 to infinity. Same I've taken 0 to infinity. Option C is the most suitable answer. Please have a look. Okay, clear, clear, clear. Sir, I'm going fast. No, bacha, simple problems, na? We can quickly solve them and move on. Question number 6, the minimum value of mod x. Tell me, what's the answer? Mod x is this, na? What's the minimum value, sir? 0. Okay. For simple things, why to take too much of time? Correct? Chali. Question number 7, maximum value of, simple or not? 10, sir. How come, sir? Check here. This is the negative value. This is always negative. This is always negative. How come, sir? Please check. Please check. X minus 1 the whole square is what? Positive value. Whole square, na? So positive. Put a minus sign next to this. This is positive. This is going to be what? Again, negative, sir. So that's why I've written here always negative. But it can be 0 also when x is 1. But it will be when x equals to 0, you're gonna get whole, sorry, not 0, 1, right? 1 second. When you take x as 1, no, it will become 1 minus 1, right? So 0. So at x equals to 1, okay, what will happen? This will be f of 1 will be what, bacha? Check here. It will be 0 plus 10, right? So this is the highest positive value or not? In every other case of x value, this will be a negative value, means you have to subtract something from the 10 value. But in this particular case, when x is equals to 1, I'm getting fx as 10. Isn't that the largest value possible? That's why 10 is maximum value of the function fx. Clear or not? Clear or not? Yes, fx is the highest, reaches the highest value at x equals to 1, which is nothing but 10 here, So 10, option B is correct. Clear? Good question. This is a good question. Okay, moving on to 8th problem. This is done. In second derivative test, if first derivative is 0, okay, second derivative is greater than 0 for some c on an interval I, okay, then c at c function will attain what? Local minima. है ना? Second, we know this, right? Second derivative test, right? If the y double dash is less than 0, what is that, bacha? Local maxima. है ना? When y double dash is greater than 0, what is that, bacha? What is this? Local minima. Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. So check here. Second derivative is positive. So local minima. Why not, sir? Absolute maxima and absolute minima. Because for that we have to check the boundary also, right? That is not defined over here somewhere. Because they are saying that for some in that open interval, right? In that interval I, there's nothing defined. You to check it for absolute value, we have to know the interval exactly and check on the boundaries as well. Let's say this is A and B, right? So check for f of A and f of B as well. If you check for that also, and if it is more than both the values, then you can say yes, global or absolute maxima, or absolute minima. But in this case, nothing is defined like that. So you're going to take this answer to be local minimum value. Is that crystal clear? Clear? Okay. Any other thing that you have to ask me about this, let me know in the comment section. I'll reply to your answer. Sorry, your question. Okay. Shall I move on to question number 9? Of course, let's move on to question number 9, sir. The minimum value of the function given by. You can't find minimum value, no, sir. Check here. Check here, sir. Find derivative. F dash of x is what, sir? 1, bacha. There's no critical point. So if you check for all the numbers, all the domain, check here. If you put f of 0, answer is 0, but f of 0 you can't put, na? Not defined, right? Not defined. How come, sir? 0 is not in domain, right? How come, sir? See, bacha, 0 is open. 0 is not in domain, sir. So since 0 is open for the domain, you can't define f of 0. It means there is no minimum value. There is no minimum value, so does not exist. Option number D is correct. What about maximum value, sir? It exists. Check here at 1. Yes or no? Check, na? F of 1 is how much, sir? 1. How come, sir? It's closed, bacha. Is the square bracket means closed interval. It means what? 1 is inclusive of the domain. 1 is in the domain. It means I can put x as 1. I'll get that as maximum value. So f of 1 will be 1. So maximum value exists, but minimum does not exist. So answer is, for minimum, the answer is what? Not existing. But if the question was for maxima, then you're going to say what? Yes, exists, and answer is 1. Clear? Good question. Good question. Okay. It all depends upon the interval, open or closed. Clear? Pakka. Chaliye. Moving on. This now total 9 questions we have solved from the MCQ category. Moving on to question number 10, which is your PYQs. PYQs. Find the interval in which the function given by. I've done this, right? I've done this. Question number 4, was it? Check here. Question number 4. Here. Same thing. They are asking for only increasing over here. So decreasing will be what? Increasing what, bacha? 3 to 4, 3 by 4 to infinity. Okay. Yeah. So increasing what? 3 by 4 to infinity. So what will be the decreasing function? Negative infinity to 3 by 4, sir. Open. Both open, sir. Correct, na? Check, take the derivative, no problem. I can solve again. So take the derivative of this thing after writing like this. Y dash is how much, sir? 4x minus 3 equal to 0. What are you getting? X is simply 3 by 4. Right here, 3 by 4. This was coming as negative, I guess, and this was coming as positive. So decreasing in the interval, check here, from here to here, and increasing in the interval from here to here. Negative 3 by 2, 3 by 4. We have this. Decreasing, please check. This is the decreasing answer. And increasing is what? 3 by 4 to infinity. 3 by 4 to infinity. Is that clear? Question number 4. Please check. Same as question number 4, bacha. Okay. In question number 4, they were asking only for increasing function. Here we have dealt with both increasing and decreasing. Clear or not? Yes, sir. As in March 2023 paper. Moving on to question number 11. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at a rate of 5 cm per minute. Length, right? They've given that x. Time respect to. Okay. dx by dt, right? Decreasing means negative. Correct or not? Yes. Same way, width y increasing. So positive. What is that? Plus 4. Okay, sir. Okay. When x is 8, y is 6. X is 8, y is 6. Find the rate of change of perimeter. Okay. Perimeter is what, sir? For a rectangle, 2 times of x plus y. Right? Rate of change of perimeter. Sir, dv by dt. How much is that? 2 is a constant. Keep it outside. In the bracket, I get what? dx by dt plus dy by dt or not? है ना? Derivative with dt, right? चलिए, let's check this out. 2 times of, check this. How much is this value, बच्चा? Minus 5. And how much is this value, बच्चा? Plus 4. How much is coming as? minus 1 here, so minus 2 centimeters per minute. What is this value? Change in perimeter, rate of change of perimeter. First answer is like this. Have a look. Question is solved. Part A, not 1. This is part A, bacha. This is part A. Part A. Clear? Rate of change in the perimeter is, we have got right now as minus 2 centimeter per minute. Have a look. Let's move on to rate of change of area. Okay. So part B. What is that, sir? Area will be, bacha, x into y. Okay. Derivative, sir. Again, same thing. dA by dt equals to, use the product rule. X I'll keep as it is. For y I'll get dy by dt plus I'll keep y as it is and I'll do dx by dt. What is the x value? Please check here. X is 8 na, sir. So 8. dy by dt is how much, sir? 4. Y is how much, sir? 6. And this is minus 5. How much I'm getting? 32 minus 30. How much is that? 2 centimeters square per minute. How come, sir? Rate of change of area, bacha, will be centimeter square only, na? Okay. Check your answer. This is your answer. Have a look. 2 centimeter square per minute is your answer. Minus 2 centimeter per minute is your perimeter change, and the 2 centimeter square per minute is your rate of change of area. Please check. Question number A and B, both are done. 11th is over. Question number 12. Find the local maximum value of the function f(x) equals to x cube minus 3x. Local maximum. Local maximum. Find second derivative, sir. Local maximum, second derivative. Chaliye. Find it here. But we need the critical point first. So for that, first derivative. So f dash of x equals to, from here, 3x square, then minus 3. To get the critical point, what is the step? Put it equal to 0. Put it equal to 0. Take 3 common. X square minus 1. What I get from here? X square equals to 1. X equals to plus minus 1. 2 critical points are there, sir. We're looking for local maxima. Do one thing. Find second derivative, sir. We're going to use the second derivative test, bacha. Please check. What I'm getting from here, check madi. So it's going to be 6x. What is that, sir? 6x. How much is this, sir? Minus 0. How, sir? Constant, bacha. So 0, 6x. Okay, second derivative test. Put x as 1, positive. We are looking for local maxima, right? So put f dash of minus 1. How much is that? 6 times of minus 1. How much is that? Simply minus 6, which is less than 0. It means local maxima. Therefore, local maxima occurs at x equals to minus 1. And what is the maximum? Local maximum value. So local maximum value, okay, 1 second. Local maximum value is what, bacha? It's going to be f of minus 1. How much is that, sir? Please check. F of minus 1, right? Yeah. So over here, minus 1 cube, minus 3 times of minus 1. How much is that? Minus 1 plus 3. How much is that? Simply 2. Simply 2 is my answer. Have a look. Correct, right? Let me know in the comment section if I'm getting it wrong or something else is coming for your answer. Let me know. By how are you gonna let me know? By writing your answer in the comment section. Clear? Kar lenge. Answer is 2. Please check. Answer is 2. Local maximum value occurs at x equals to minus 1. How come, sir? Second derivative test is giving me negative at minus 1. We have checked f double dash of minus 1 is simply coming as minus 6, which is negative. Hence local maxima. Hence the value for local maxima is what? 2. Is what? 2. Okay. Simple enough. Very simple. Have a look. Moving on to question number 13. A particle moving along the curve. Okay. Find the point on the curve at which the y coordinate is changing 8 times. Okay. Change of y with x is given as 8. What does that mean, sir? It means dy by dx is given as 8, na, sir. Why are you confusing me, sir? Please check. Change of y with x is given as 8. dy by dx is what? Change of y with x only, no? At that particular instant, right? Na? At particular instant it's coming as 8. Great. So let's take the derivative of this. Particle moving along this curve, find the points on the curve at which y coordinate. Okay, fine. Let's quickly find this. So we will take this 6y equals to x cube plus 2. Derivative you take bacha 6 times of dy by dx equals to 3x square. Okay, that is 0 bacha. Okay, cancel this. 2. I'm getting dy by dx equals to x square by 2. We have the value of dy by dx right here. 8 equals to x square by 2. What I'm getting? 16 equals to x square. What I'm getting? X can be either plus 4 or minus 4. Plus 4 or minus 4. Are they looking for the point of x and x? No, so they're looking for the point, right? Point will be defined using both x and y coordinate, right? So I need the y coordinate for each of them. Check here. When x is equals to 4. When x is equals to 4. Find the y value, sir. 6y equals to 4 cube plus 2. So y equals to 64 plus 2 is 66. Y cube is what, sir? 4 cube is what, sir? 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64 plus 2 66. Divide by 6, getting the answer as 11. Y is coming as 11. What's the coordinate then? 4, 11. Next one, when x is minus 4. Check this out. 6y equals to minus 4 the cube plus 2. Minus 64 plus 2, how much is that? Minus 62 divided by 6 equals to y. What is y value, sir? Please check. Divided by 2, sir. So minus 31 by 3. So my coordinates are over here. So your points are what, bacha? Your points are 4, 11 and what is it? Minus 4, minus 31. Correct now? Yeah, minus 31 by 3. Am I right? Please check. 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. So minus 31 by 3 is correct. This is the answer. These are your final answers, sir. Have a look. Please have a look. Okay. Question number 13 is over. Let's move on to question number 14. Before I move on, have a look. Everything is clear, simple. Chaliye. Question number 14. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute. Okay. Similar question, no? Similar question. Okay. Again, you have to find the rate of change of perimeter and the area. Okay. I'll give you the answer. The answer would be the same thing actually. So dp by dt, right? Yeah, d by dt will be coming as again minus 2 centimeters per minute. Please check. And b will come as the area of change, rate of change of area will be coming as 2 centimeters square per minute. How can I do that? I have done a similar question like this. Please check. Which question was that? Correct, no? This one. Question number 11. Yeah. Same as question number 11. Please check. So question number 11 is exactly the same question. Okay. So solve it and check your answer. Solve and verify your answer. Verify your answer, sir. I've given the answer, right? I've given you the answer. What is the answer, sir? Minus 2 centimeter per minute for rate of change in perimeter and 2 centimeter square per minute for rate of change of area. Please check. It's a March 2022 P by Q. Kar lenge? All of you can do it? Of course, sir. Okay? Everything is given, right? dx by dt is given. dy by dt is again given. dx by dt is negative. Decreasing, excuse me. Increasing, so positive. 2. X is given to find the area. Okay? Clear, right? No problem whatsoever. Question number 15. Show that of all the rectangles inscribed in a given fixed circle, the square has the maximum area. Excellent question. Okay? Means we have to maximize what? We have to maximize the area of what? The rectangle and get that is coming as square. Check here. Maximize the area of the rectangle inscribed in a circle, okay, and prove that it's a square. How can you prove the square? Sides are equal. Sides are equal, so the rectangle is given like this. Please check it out. Let's say this is x and this is your y. This value is going to be what, bacha? Rectangle is there, na? So it has to be diameter. So let's call this to be A and A. The radius is what? A and A. I can name the sides AB, CD. Center is, let's say, O. So radius is OC or OA, coming as A and A. So what is the area, right? We're looking to maximize the area, right? What is the area, bacha? Check here. X times of y. Okay. What is the y value you can write from Pythagoras theorem? Y will be equal to AC square minus AB square, the root, na? So root of, what is AC square, sir? 2A. A plus A, so 2A the square minus x square. Why this, sir? To make one variable, bacha. To make one variable. So there's two variables. 2A is there. A is a constant, sir. Radius will be known, na? So A is a constant. How, sir, radius is known? Fixed circle. Means radius is known, bacha. Not a variable. Okay? Chaliye. X times of 4A square minus x square. This is A. Now do one thing. Square on both sides. Square it on both sides. Please check what you're getting. You're getting A square equals to x square, and then root will be cancelled. So 4A square minus x square. Check out now. A square is coming as 4A square x square minus x power 4. Correct, na? X power 4. Please have a look. Take this as a surface area S. Okay, some value S. Why S, sir? I have a square here, bacha. That's why I'm taking it as simply x. If I maximize S, no? If I maximize x, won't A also be maximized? Please check. A square is maximum. It means A will be maximum, right? Chaliye. So let's maximize S. For that, we have to do what, bacha? Derivative. So ds by dx we will take. Please check this out. So 4A square is a constant. So 4A square times of 2x minus 4x cube. What we are getting? Please check. I'm getting here 8A square x minus 4x cube. To find the critical points for x, put it equal to 0. Hai na? So one value will be x equal to 0. Okay, I can take x common, right? What I'm getting, if you want, I can show you one more step to have this analysis. Understanding, take x common, sir. Or take 4x common, sir. What I'm getting, sir? 2A square minus 4, check here, x square equals to 0. Not 4 I've taken common, right? There is no 4 left. How come? However, sir, I've taken 4x common, right? So 2A square minus x square. Okay? 2A square minus x square. Now you check here. So if I do, I can take what? This means what? It means either x can be 0 or this whole bracket can be 0. Either x is 0 or this bracket is 0. What it means? 2A square minus x square is 0. Hai na? Can this x be 0? No, sir. How come, bacha? X is a side length. It cannot be 0, bacha. It means not possible. Okay? It means what I'm getting? X square equals to 2A square. What I'm getting? X is coming as root 2A. Root 2A. Again, units will come. It's a length, right? Units will come. Okay? X equals to root 2A. Okay? I'm getting this value. I have to check whether at this value, only one critical point I'm getting. At this critical point, what is this? What is this value, sir? This is a critical point, bacha. Critical point, sir. So at this critical point, what happened? Please check. At this critical point, what is happening, bacha? I have only one critical point first of all. At this critical point, we have to check if I can check this x is maximum. I'll repeat. If I can check this critical point is making s maximum, then that is my point of maxima. Yes or no? Great. So one thing, how can you find that? Second derivative. Second order derivative, bacha, d square s. So before I do that, let me write the first derivative over here only. ds by dx, right? How much was that? Please check here. ds by dx, somewhere here. I have 8a square x minus 4x cube. So 8a square x minus 4x cube. Second derivative of this will become what? Check here. D square s upon dx square equals to, I'm getting this as simply 8a square minus 12x square, right? 12x square. X value is what? Please check. X value is root 2a. Substitute now. So I'm trying to find out this. When x is equals to root 2a. Check this out. 8 square will remain same, na? What about this? Minus 12 times of root 2a the whole square. How much I'm getting? 8a square minus root 2 square is how much, sir? 2. 2 into 12, 24. 24 a square. What I'm getting, sir? 8 minus 24. 8 minus 24 minus 16. Minus 16 a square, which is nothing but negative. How come, sir? 16 is a positive number, a square is a positive number. 16 positive, a square positive, it means minus will make it negative, so less than 0. Okay, so what I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting this value d square s upon dx square when x is equals to root 2a is less than 0. It means what? Point of maxima, sir. Point of maxima, sir. What about maxima, bacha? Local, है ना? Local maxima. चलिए, great. We were looking for that only, no? We had to maximize the area. We ended up maximizing the s, but s is a square. It means when s is maximum, a square is maximum. It means a is also maximum. Okay, चलिए. So what we are getting now? Please check. So when I'm getting, it means this is true. X equals to what I'm getting, bacha? Therefore, x equals to root 2a. Okay, is what, bacha? Is point of maxima, na? Right? It means area is, one second, I'll write directly over here. Understanding, this is all for understanding. Area is maximum, okay, at x equals to root 2a. This is proved now, but we have to prove what? Prove that this can only happen for a square. This can only happen for a square. So I can prove that by putting x and y equal. What's the y value, sir? If you remember, y value was 4a square minus x square. How come, sir? Check here, na? Y, x remains same, na? Y is this value, right? 4a square minus x square. 4a square minus x square. Yes. So write this value here as it is. What is x value? Square it up. So 2a square, hai na? X is root 2a, right? So root 2 square is 2. A square is simply a square. What's the difference, sir? Again 2a square in the root. What's the answer, sir? Root 2a. What I'm getting? X equals to y equals to root 2a. It means what? It means x and y equal means what? ABCD is, sorry, area of ABCD, right? So area of ABCD is maximum when it is a square. When it is a square, that's what we were proving. So that all rectangles inscribed in a circle have the maximum area when it is a square. Check here, we took the area, we maximized the area using the letter S, okay, and we got the critical point as root 2a. We got the maxima exist by checking the second order. What we did? We did a second order derivative test. While doing that, we got it to be negative. It means that point of maxima, which point at x equals to root 2a, it means what, bacha? It means it is the point of maxima, hence area is maximum at this point. Area is maximum at this point. It means, can I check for y value? I got the y value as same thing, root 2a, which is means x and y is same, hence a square. Length and breadth are equal, hence a square. So we have verified that in a given circle, if it is inscribing a rectangle, the area will be maximum only when it is a square. When x and y are equal. When x and y are equal. When x and y are equal. Clear? Clear? Okay, chaliye, let's move on. So question number 16 now. Prove that the volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere. Okay. Sphere is inscribing a cone. So it's a circle. Don't worry, accept it is a sphere only, sir. Okay. We're trying to make our 3-dimensional figure on 2D. Something like this. Okay. It's a sphere which is inscribing a cone. Let's write the features of those figures right now. So let's call this to be radius small r for the cone, bacha. This is the height, okay. This is the height, bacha, okay. Somewhere here will be some center, na. So this is going to be what? Radius of the sphere. This also is the radius. What is this value, sir? This value is h minus capital R. H minus capital R, right? This value. Let me write it like this. O, okay. Let's say this is C, this is A, and this is B. O, C, clear na? O, A, C, B, okay. This is radius R, bacha. Chaliye. OB is R. If you want, I can write it over here. OB is small r. What else? OC is h minus r. OA is h, and AC and BC are radiuses of the sphere. I hope this is clear. Clear now? Chali. Let's move on to the question statement now. We have to prove that volume of what? Of the largest cone is always 8/27th part of the volume of the sphere inscribed in the volume of the sphere, okay, which is inscribing the cone, okay. So volume of the cone 1/3 pi r square h, okay. The problem over here is this small r, so let's get rid of that. Small r square will be given by what bacha? Apply Pythagoras theorem in OBC. Capital R square minus h minus r the whole square. What we are getting from here, please check. I'll have r square. I can cancel this now. Okay, I can do directly also. Please check. I can do this directly. Over here, look. I have r square over here also, right? A must be the whole square. R square is over here, which will cancel this r square. Not getting it? Let's just solve it for you, all of you guys. I'm gonna get this as h square plus r square minus 2hr. Check this out. Plus and minus will make negative, so this and this is cancelled. What I'm getting now? I'm getting this as 2hr minus h square is the value of r square. Let's write the volume again. The volume will be coming as bacha 1/3 pi, this whole thing, 2hr minus h square into h. So my volume will now become 1/3 pi, okay, 2 multiply h here, so h square r minus h cube. This is what, sir? Volume of the cone, bacha. We have to maximize that only, na? Maximize this, okay. I can maximize with the variable h or r. Let's do with h, sir. Let's do it with h, sir. Okay, but the cone only will do for the height h. If I do that, can I find the derivative over here only? dy by, not y, na? dv by dh, right? Let's just do this. dv by dh. When I do that, what I get, bacha, please check. 1/3 pi is a constant, sir. This is a constant, bacha. What about this? I get here as 4hr. How come? 2 will multiply in the coefficient, right? So 2 h square will become 2h, right? If you take the derivative of h square, it will become 2h. So 4h, r is a constant, minus 3h square. Minus 3h square is my derivative, first derivative, okay. To find the critical point from here, please check. To find the critical point from here, I'll put what? I'll put derivative equal to 0. What I'm getting? 1/3, or I can write this simply as pi by h, na? Or pi by 3. So pi by 3, okay, how much was this? 4hr minus 3h square equals to 0, right? Please have a look. Same thing, okay. I can take h common, bacha. Let's do that. So I can bring this pi by 3, h is common. I'm getting here 4r minus 3h equals to 0. I'm getting what? H equals to 0, okay, or 4r minus 3h equals to 0. Not possible, sir. Height cannot be 0, na? Height of the cone cannot be 0, so not possible. Check from here what I'm getting. 4r equals to 3h. So what I'm getting this? H equals to 4r by 3. I've got this as my critical point. What is this, bacha? Critical point. Over here only we'll check the maxima and minima, right? We're looking to what? We're looking to do what? Largest. We have to maximize, bacha. We have to maximize, sir. We have to maximize, sir. Means we have to find the second derivative now. Please check. d square v upon dh square. Please check. So it'll come as 1/3 pi will be constant. So outside I can write this as same. Pi by 3 is outside, okay. What about inside? It will become 4r, right? First term, if you take the derivative of this part, it will become 4r, na? H will be 1, right? So 4r. So let's write that 4r. There's a minus sign, we'll keep that. This will become what, bacha? Derivative of 3h square will become 6h, sir. So minus 6h, okay. Now we'll check what? We'll check second order derivative at the critical point. So when h is equals to what, bacha? When h is equals to 4r by 3, the critical point. Please check. 4r by 3. Check this out. Pi by 3 is a constant which is outside, no problem whatsoever. What about this? 4r is also as it is. What about inside, bacha? Please check. 6 times of 4r by 3 na? 4r by 3, right? What I'm getting? Please check. How much is that? 2. So I'm getting here pi by 3 4r minus 8r. Clearly this is negative, right? Negative. Okay, it means what? Point of maxima. Okay, which is the point of maxima? This value. This h equals to 4r by 3 is point of maxima. Let's find the maximum value. So how can you do that? Find the value of the this volume at this particular instant, 4r by 3. Chaliye, what's the volume formula? Please check. Volume over here I got 1 by 3 pi, or pi by 3, right here, pi by 3. Okay, check now what I'm getting other than this. 2hr minus h square. Sorry, over here I can write now 2h square r minus h cube. 2h square r minus h cube. 2h square r minus h cube is my volume. I have to find at what point h equals to 4r by 3. How come, sir? Because this is the point of maxima where the largest cone's volume will be existing. Okay, substitute now. So 2, what is h, sir? 4r by 3 ka square r minus 4r by 3 ka cube. Okay, how much is that? Pi by 3. Check this out. 16 into 2, so 32 r cube by 9 na? R square into r, so r cube. 4 square is 16 into 2 is 32. Over here 4 cubes, sir, so 64. Again what I'm getting, sir? R cube by 3 cube na, so 27. How come, sir? Denominator, sir, 3. Denominator is 3 means 3 cube, so 27. Great. I'll write it over here. So what I'm getting, bacha, so far I'm getting v equals to pi by 3. Please check. I think 32 r cube by 9, will cross check, don't worry, minus 64 r cube by 27, somewhat like this. Please have a look. Yeah, 1 second. This is r cube, sir. This is r cube, bacha. I can take r cube also common, sir. So pi r cube, please check, by 3. What I have inside? I have here LCM is 27, sir. 9 3s are 27 means 32 3s are. Okay, minus 64 as it is. Please cross check. What I'm getting? Pi r cube by 3. What is that, sir? 96, right? Minus 64 upon 27. We had to get 27 only. Please check. Check the question. We have to get what? 8 by 27 times of the volume of sphere. Something like that is coming. Good for us. Please check. Pi r cube by 3. Please check it out. How much is this? 32 by 27. Break this into 4 into 8. So if I write this 32 as 4 into 8 na, what I'm going to get? Keep the 4 over here with them. I get 4 by 4 pi r cube. Okay, 3 here as it is, and we'll keep 8 over here, bacha. So 8 by 27 hai na? I can write this in front. So 8 by 27 times this whole thing, 4 pi r cube by 3 hai na? Please check. What is this, sir? Volume of the cone na? This is the volume of cone. Please check carefully. This is volume of cone, 8 by 27. And what is this part? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the sphere, sir. We had to prove what? It will be largest and will be equal to what? 8 by 27 times of volume of sphere. Please check the statement. Volume of the largest cone will be what? Equal to 8 by 27 times the volume of sphere. Excellent question or not? Yes. Okay, very good question, bacha. Very good question. Please have a look. Okay, have a look. Okay, over here na? Yeah. So draw the figure clearly. Try to eliminate the radius small radius r, okay, and try to eliminate the radius, small h also. We have done that. You'll see this, okay. So we get the volume expression over here. This is what, bacha? This is volume of cone, sir, all the time. Volume of cone, sir. Okay, this is all volume of cone, bacha. I hope you know that. Okay. I've avoided writing the C to make the confusion, or to avoid the confusion. Okay, not to make the confusion. Okay, to have the clarity about the variables. We did this point to get the critical point, which is coming as critical point was what, bacha? 4r by 3. Okay, 4r by 3. Once we get the critical point, we checked for what is this, bacha? This is my second derivative test. This is second derivative test, which came as negative. It means what? Point of local maxima. Once I get that, I got this as my maximum value over here, which is coming as 8 by 27 times of volume of sphere. How come, sir? Because 4 pi r cube by 3 is volume of sphere, where r is the radius of the sphere. Please check once again, one last time. R is the radius of the sphere. Please check AC and BC. Shall I move on? Yeah, this is clear. Question number 6 is over, 16 is over, sir. Question number 17, sir. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. Okay, it means volume change is given, sir. Volume change is given, sir. Volume change. But what type of volume, sir? What type of volume? We'll see that. Don't worry. They must have mentioned. The falling sand forms a cone, sir. So volume of cone, sir. Volume of cone, bacha. The given volume of cone change is what? 12 centimeter cube per second. Okay. On the ground in such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. Please check. Height is always 1/6 of the radius. It means what? Radius is 6 times the height. Okay, great. How fast is the height of the sand cone increasing when height is 4 centimeters? So they have said that when h is 4 centimeter, look for the rate of change in height. Okay, great. So let's do that. Can we take the derivative of this? Let's find the volume first. What is going to be volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h na. Write the values that we have. V equals to 1 by 3 pi h r square, right? 6h square. Check here. 6h square times of h. Okay. Derivative, before I do that, let's write this. 1 by 3 pi 36 h cube. Cancel this. 12. What I'm getting, bacha? V equals to 12 pi h cube. 12 pi h cube, na? Please check. If you cancel, what are you gonna get? 12 only, right? 3 and 36. You're gonna cancel what? 12 only after cancellation. Now take the derivative. dv by dt. How much is that, sir? 12 pi is a constant. How much is that? Please check. I'm getting this as h cube is there, right? So 3h square for h cube. Now you have to differentiate h also. So dh by dt. dh by dt. Okay, sir. They have given this value dv by dt. Check here, 12. So right here 12 equals to 12 pi. How much is this? 3h square, right? What is h value, sir? 4. So 4 square value and dh by dt. Please check this out. 12 and 12 is cancelled. I have only 1 left on this side. What I'm getting? 4 square is 16 into 3, 48. I'll bring everything on this side. So 1 by 4 square is 16. 4 square is 16 times of 3, 48. And pi is there. So 48 pi is coming as dh by dt. dh by dt. So what is my final answer? I can write it over here. Please check. So rate of change of the height dh by dt is coming as 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Second, right, or minute? What's the unit? Second only. Please check here. Second only. Second only. Have a look. This is your final answer, sir. Please have a look. Rate of increase or cones, how fast is the height is increasing for the cone? What's the answer? 1 by 48 pi centimeter per second. Centimeter per second. Is that clear? Have a look. Simple question. Extremely simple question. Number 17 is done. Have a look once again. Question number 18 we will solve now. find two numbers whose sum is 24 and whose product is as large as possible. Product, we have to maximize what? Product, right? Please check here. We're looking to what, bacha? Maximize the product, sir. Okay, so we have to maximize P. Maximize P, sir. Okay, I've written same thing again. Okay, so before I do that, let's use the information they have given. Sum is 24. It means what? If I take the number to be x and y, let's say, so I have x plus y is 24. What's the product, sir? X into y. So let's keep x as it is, right? Y as, y will be what, bacha? 24 minus x, na? Open the bracket. Product is 24x minus x square. Maximize means derivatives, of course. So find the derivative. dp by dx is coming equals to what, bacha? Please check here. 24 minus 2x. Look for the critical point, equal to 0. X is equals to what, bacha? 12. Check for the second order derivative to get the maxima, point of maxima, d square p upon dx square. This is going to be 0 and minus 2, which is less than 0. Okay, less than 0, sir. Great. Less than 0 means what? Point of maxima. Point of maxima, sir. Point of maxima, bacha. Correct, na? Minus 2 means point of maxima. Means this point will be point of maxima. So it means what? Product is maximized now. Okay, at what value? At x equals to 12. Okay, so product is maximum. Please check here. Maximum when x is 12 and y is what, bacha? Y is, sum is 24, right? So y is also 12. This is your answer. X 12 and y 12. X is 12 and y is 12. This is your answer. Please check. We have maximized the product, okay, by replacing y as 24 minus x. Y as 24 minus x. Okay, p was coming like this, 24x minus x square. Maximized to get the critical, first you differentiation of number 1, first order, to get the critical point. Once you get that, second order derivative to verify whether it is a critical point or not. There is no x here, na? So the directly negative we can take for any point. X equal to 12 means local maxima. Hence the answer is 12 and 12. X is 12 and y is 12. Find two numbers. X is 12 and y is 12. Question number 18 is done. Question number 19. Simple question. Find the intervals in which the function f is given by this is strictly increasing. Chaliye karte hain. Let's take this. So first we have to find what, bacha? Derivative. Let's check this out. 6x square minus 6x minus 36, and this is 0, right? So I don't have to write that. First point is what? To find the critical points. Let's do this. Equal to 0. Take 6 common. X square minus x minus 6. 0. What I'm getting? X square minus x minus 6 is 0. Can I factorize this? Minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is 0. Please check this out. How come, sir? Sum is minus x, product is minus 6x square. Check this out. Minus 3x plus 2x. How much is that? Minus x, product. Minus 6x square, which is the same as the product of the first and the third number. Hai na? Do one thing. Perform this trinomial factorization. Grade 9, something like that, right? Please do one thing. Take it common, sir. X minus 3 plus 2 times of x minus 3 equals to 0. I'm getting the factors as x minus 3 and x plus 2. Critical point is what? 3 and 2. 3 and 2. Please check now. Number line. How come number line, sir? Looking for what, sir? Increasing and decreasing, na? Critical point, bacha, is minus 2, sir. Minus 3 and minus 2, na? Put it equal to 0. First bracket. You will get x as 3 over here, minus 2. X as minus 2. So minus 2 over here and 3 over here. Check for the interval. This is negative infinity. This is plus infinity. Okay. So we are looking for this interval first. So I can take a number in this interval. Minus 3 I can take. Minus 3 I can take. Please check here. Put here minus 3. Don't take minus 3. Take minus 4. Okay. Take minus 4. What is that, sir? Check here. Minus 4 if you take. This will be negative, na sir, minus 7. This will also be negative, sir. Please check. If you put x equals to minus 4 in this interval, please check it out. First bracket will become what, bacha? It will become negative, okay? And this bracket will also become what, bacha? Negative. This is what, bacha? This is going to be my f dash of x. So what I'm getting? F dash of x is coming as positive, na? 1 second. Positive, right? How come, sir? Minus into minus is plus, so this is going to be, bacha, plus. Please cross check. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, product is positive, that's why I've taken here as positive. Now check now, in this value minus 2 and 3, let's take x equals to 0. 0, sir. Check here, f dash of x. Check this out. How much is this, sir? 0 minus 3 is negative. 0 plus 2 is positive. What's the product? Positive, sir. Result is positive means plus, sorry, not positive. What I'm saying, negative, na? Yeah. Plus into minus is negative, sir. Plus into minus is negative, sir. So negative. After 3, take x as 4. Take x as 4. 4 minus 3, 1, so positive. 4 plus 2, 6, again positive. So what I'm getting, bacha, f dash of x I'm getting as, both bracket is positive into positive. So it's going to be what, sir? Simply positive. We are looking for strictly increasing, means which intervals, sir? Positive intervals. So this and this, this and this. What is the answer? So strictly increasing, strictly, right? Strictly, okay? Increasing. In which interval, bacha? Please check here. Which interval, sir? Negative infinity to negative 2. So minus infinity to minus 2. Is that over? No, sir. Union 3 to infinity. Union 3 to infinity. How come, sir? Both interval positive, sir. Here also positive. Here also positive. We are looking for strictly increasing. Hence, both the intervals minus infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. Negative infinity to minus 2 and 3 to infinity. Please check. This is your answer. Your final answer for the question is over here. Please check this out. Yeah. 1 second. Yes. Clear? Simple question? Difficult? No, not at all. I will not take this question to be difficult, sir. March 2023 paper. Please check. Simple problem. You must have solved it. Question number 19 is over. Question number 20 will solve. Two positive numbers whose sum is 15 and sum of whose squares is minimum. So to minimize the square, sum is given as 15. Let's check this out. 15, sir. So x plus y is given as 15. Sum of the square, so take the square as x square plus y square. X square plus, what is y, sir? Take x on this side. 15 minus x the whole square. What I'm getting, sir? Please check here. X square plus 225 plus x square minus 30x, na? Right? What I'm getting? Please check. 2x square. 1 second. 2x square minus 30x plus 225. This is my sum of the square value. Sum of the square expression. Okay. 2x square minus 30x plus 225. Is it clear? We have to what? Look for the minimum value for this. Minimum value for this, right? So you have to find first derivative to find the critical point. Check this out. So 4x minus 30 equals to 0. To find what? Critical points. X is, sir, what? 30 by 4, na? How much is that? 15 by 2. Please check. 15 by 2. Lost. We have only one point of critical point. We have only one point, na? Critical point. 15 by 2. Let's check for local maxima or local minima, sir, not maxima. So second order derivative test. Second order derivative test. Second derivative will be like this, bacha. Please check here. How this is coming, bacha? Please check. I'm gonna get this answer as simply 4, which is greater than 0. Hence what? Point of local minima. Which point, sir? The critical point, right? The critical point will become the point of local minima. minima. The critical point will become point of local minima, okay, which is correct. Now we're looking for this only. It means the sum of a squares of the two numbers is minimum at x equals to 15 by 2. But what about y, sir? Find the y value, bacha, from here. Same value, no? X is 15 by 2. This is 15, sir. What is y? Same value, sir. So y equals to 15 by 2. This is your answer, sir. Please check this out. Check this answer out. If you're getting a different answer, let me know in the comment section. If you're getting a different answer, please let me know in the comment section. I will cross check if it is right or not. I think this is right. Okay, please have a look. Question number 20 is done. Simple question, very, very simple. Just we have to form the expression for the sum of the squares, okay, and then we get to maximize it using the first order derivative test. We get the critical point. 15 by 2 is a critical point. Then we check the second order derivative test is coming as local minima because it's positive. So critical point will become what? Local minima. So hence the minimum is occurring at 15 by 2 comma y equal to 15 by 2. The two numbers are what? 15 by 2 and 15 by 2. 21, please check. Find the two positive numbers. Same thing. I think you can do from your side, right? Check here. X plus y is 60, right? And how much is that, bacha? Please check. Maximum, no? So take this. Product is coming as xy cube. Okay? xy cube. Okay. We have to maximize this. So write this as p x times of 60 minus, what we can do, bacha? Please check here. X the cube, okay, or you can do ulta also. Y cube times of 60 minus x also is correct. 60 minus y is also correct. No problem. Whatever you can do, I'll tell you the answer. Okay, I've missed this out, so please check this. Okay, forgive this. For now, I've messed down the year. Okay, so x is coming as, please check. X is coming as, I think I forgot, but not sure. Please cross check. Okay, solve question number 21, okay, and verify your answer. Verify the answer, sir. Okay, what is it? 15 and 45. I think it should come as 15 and 45. Please cross check. It's a PYQ only. I've not written the year properly, but I think it's a PYQ. I think it's 16 only, no? March 16 only should be, or maybe 17. Okay, 17. Okay, I think 17 now. This will be 17, bacha. Let me write it for you. It's March 2017, sir. It is March 2017, sir. 2017, bacha. Okay, please check. Okay, 21 is over. Have a look. 22. Find two numbers whose product is 100. Okay, product is 100, sir. Great. Means what? X times of y is 100. It means y equals to 100 by x. है ना? First one is done. Second what? Whose sum is minimum. Sum is what, bacha? Let's say x plus y. We have to minimize this. So what are you going to write first for this? X plus 100 by x. Okay. Now differentiate this. Find the critical point. Okay. And solve this. Once you do that, for the minima, I think your answer should come as, please check. I think it should come as x is 10 and y is also 10, bacha. Please check. Y is also 10. Okay. So again, this is your homework. Solve and verify your answer. Verify your answer, sir. Answer is given here. I've written here the answer 10 and 10. Please cross check. Okay, you'll get the different. If you get a different answer, let me know. But I don't think you're gonna get a different answer. It should be the same answer. Okay. All right, sir. This completes the session. Yes, I've taken a total of 22 questions. We have discussed all of them. I have given a couple of questions as your, self, assessment. You can solve it from your side. But I think you can do that. No problem whatsoever. So with this, can I end the session? Yes. This is the end of the questions that we have taken to solve today. So this is it, bacha. Let's move on. So as I said, revision is over what is left now? Write a mock test. Write a mock test. Our success blueprint test series is live right now, available at a price of only $5.99. Please go ahead and check it out. Okay, what you can do is purchase this test series. The link is given in the description of this video. You can check the link and avail the offer right now that is going on. Okay, once again, there will be a 12 test papers in this. You'll have 4 part tests and 8 full length tests. Okay, so the first test actually went live bacha on 15 December. 15 December first test was live. Okay, so if you have missed out on that, don't worry. What you can do is simply take those missed tests again, but right now prepare for the current test which is coming for you. How can you do that? Enroll and get the schedule of your entire test. So you'll have total of 4 part test, means a PCM test will be there. Syllabus will be given to you. You have to write that, and then 8 full syllabus, full length subject wise test will be also be there. Okay, what are you getting from this test series? Question papers you're gonna get in the PDF format. Again, you will get the PDF solutions, okay, for all this test, mock test, and you're gonna get video solutions bacha, as well as live doubt clearing sessions. So you'll also get doubt clarification session, which you can make use of it and get all of your clarity that you need to for that particular subject and questions. I hope this is clear. So with this, I'm going to conclude the session bacha. So it was a good session. We have solved a good amount of question, different variety also we have taken, PYQs and some other questions that we have taken. So it was a fun session from my side. If you have anything else to say, let me know in the comment section. So for now, this is it. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself, keep working hard, keep positivity around you. See you. Bye bye, take care.